Hey Braylon, here's how to access the IXL stuff. So you click on IXL in your Clever. Then once you get there, you'll see up here, you'll see recommendations, but then you have math, language arts, science, social studies, and then OK standards. You can see right here one suggestion from your teacher. I would actually really like for you to do this real-time diagnostic. It's a little test. It's going to show me what you do and don't know in all of these subjects. So that's going to help me figure out what I need you to work on. So go ahead and take that today, and then for science, you can click on science right here, and you can see all of these different things. Okay, I think any of these are fine, but the best thing to do is go here to OK standards. That's our Oklahoma standards, and you can see here there's some math practice for you. I want you to go to science and just start working down through each of these. Go to each of them, and I want you to try to score as high as you can. Okay, so there's not all of these will have stuff, but there's quite a bit on here. So do that one for science. Social studies, just pick some stuff. Go over here to Oklahoma Standards, click on social studies. Yeah, there you go. And then just, start picking some things and go through here and start working on all of this. And you can also do stuff for language arts and math as well. So language arts, go over here to Oklahoma Standards, then click on language arts. And then go ahead and start working through all of these. Okay, I'd like for you to do at least one whole one. So like this one right here, there's 7.3.R, which is reading. Go ahead and do all 4 of these. So that is what I want you to do on IXL along with your Khan Academy. So if you have any questions or you need some help, let me know.